Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Fine. May Allah bless you. Okay students, let's we start our first topic of grade 6 English, birthday presents. The writer of this story is Lini Reed Banks. She is a British writer and she is famous for children's stories. The passage Red Indian is a part of her famous novel The Indian in the Cupboard. So students, it means that birthday present is not a complete story but it is a passage and it has been taken from the novel The Indian in the Cupboard. So students, Lini Reed Banks also got J.M. Barrie Award for her writings. The theme of birthday present is feelings associated with presents. So students, first of all, I will tell you that in our life we got different gifts on our birthdays. Sometimes we have a great expectation to receive unique or valuable gifts we can't get due to some problem and became disappointed. But after some times we feel that the gift which we think is useless proves a very valuable for us. So this story also presents such situation. So before starting this story, I'll introduce the characters. The main character of the story is Omri, a young boy, and Patrick, his friend. Gillen is brother of Omri. Omri's mother, Adil, is also brother of Omri and father. So students, let's start the story. See first page of the story. Look now on book. Okay students, first of all you will read the story at home in the presence of your mother, sister or anybody else who guides you in studies. So see these highlighted lines, because I highlighted these lines so that you have a good understanding with the story. Okay students, the page 9 and it's the first page of the birthday present. See here, it was Omri's birthday and he didn't show any praising word after receiving the Patrick's gift, because Patrick gave him a real plastic Indian toy which was not a new but a used toy. Oh, Omri was bored after getting it because he had many little plastic toys at his home and he could see them in TV lounge, drawing room, bedroom, even in kitchen. So he was not happy after spending many hours in school with Patrick. He never showed his feelings. Omri was little disappointed. Why? Because he didn't like plastic gifts. So students, come to the next page. After some time, the Patrick asked, "Did you like my present, Omri?" Omri said without any feeling in flattish voice, "Yes." After school timing, Omri came to home and he received a gift of skateboards with kickboard and kryptonic wheels from his parents. His elder brother also gave him a helmet, but his brother Gillen didn't give him anything. Why? Because he had no money. But after some time, when Gillen returned to Omri, he had a parcel covered with brown paper which was not neat and clean. Okay students, come to the page 11. Omri asked, "What is this?" Gillen said that I found it from Alley. Alley is a closed street where often rich people throw their used things and some people collect these things from there. When Omri tore the paper, he found there was a metal cupboard with mirror. Once again, Omri became disappointed because the cupboard was not neat and clean. But there was a good habit in Omri that he had habit to clean his cupboard, his drawers. He also wanted to have arranged drawers, arranged cupboard. So he said, okay, he wanted to lock now this cupboard. So he saw complainingly towards Gillen. He wanted to have a key. His mother said, Omri, I have a box of keys. Might you find any key for it? Okay, come to the next page. Omri saw there were half dozen keys, but one was strange. It was looped with satin string. Omri saved this key. It was a curly and he kept in the hole. Okay, students, you can see a key. It was looped with a red satin. Satin is a silky cloth. Okay, students, in this all trouble, he lost his wish to cut the cake and also cancelled his spelling test preparation. He put his concentration to adjust the key. He said, Oh mom, I found one. Okay, come to the next page, number 13. Her mother said, Dad, this key belonged to my grandmother's jewel box and she got it from Florence, a city of Italy. Her mother said that I always put this key with string around my neck. But when string broke, I lost the key and after some time, I put it into the box. Okay, her mother said, no, you could have got a chain for it. Okay, students, Omri put the cupboard beside the table. Oh, Gillen said, you could keep your nose drop in this. Omri said, oh no, that the drop was a waste material. Mother said, okay, you kept your real red Indian in cupboard which you put in the trouser and forget in washing machine. Omri took it and put it on shelf and ready to sleep. Okay, students, come to the next page. Page number 14. After some time, he kissed his mother's hand and turned the lights and he was ready to sleep. As he was ready to sleep, he heard some voices. He thought, might it a voice from outside? But he got to sleep. When he went to sleep, he saw that something is trouble, but he forgot it. But the next morning, when he awoke, he also heard again the same voices. Those voices was some petting, trapping, scrabbling. Omri was frightened. Something was alive in the cupboard. He carefully put the key in cupboard. And as he put the key, the voices became stop. Oh, what is this? He saw that the real Indian was gone. The real Indian. Oh, it was also real because it was not on the shelf but it was in the bottom of the cupboard. How is it possible? Oh, the real Indian. It was crouching in the darkest corner. Oh, the red Indian was alive. Okay, it was the last line of the story. So students, it was not a complete story. I told you again in the starting of the story that it is a passage and it has been taken from the Indian in the Cupboard, a novel for children which is wrote by Lenny Reed Banks. So students, you will complete its ending. What is the next? You can complete according to your choice. You have a number of stories. So have a guess. Imagine that what will be next. Why the Indian is alive. So here is a suspense and you will complete it. Okay students, now come to the difficult word meaning. Appreciate. Appreciate means say some praising words. किसी को सराहना. Fed up mean bore. It means ukta jana. Scattered mean on some different places, not in arranged form. मतलब कि बिखरा हुआ. Disappointed mean lose hope, यानी कि उम्मीद खो देना. Flattish voice mean a voice without any emotion. It mean sparse लहजा. Untidy mean not clean. It mean थोड़ा सा गंदा. Wrapped mean covered with something. किसी चीज से ढका हुआ, लपेटा हुआ. Alley mean closed street, बंद गली. Oddly mean some strange, यानी कि अजीब सा. Satin is a silky cloth, और इससे उर्दू में हम कहते हैं सिल्क का कपड़ा. Regretted mean show some sad feelings, पछताना sometime. Scrabbling mean कुछ खुरचने की आवाजें. Scratching sounds. Cautiously mean with full care, बहुत एहतियात से. Petrified mean full frightened, बहुत ज्यादा डरा हुआ. Crouching means दुबक कर बैठ जाना. Silently sit with fear. Okay students, come toward its exercise. Okay, here are questions. How did Omri feel when Patrick gave him his present? Okay, it means that what were the feelings of Patrick after receiving the gift? So students, all the answers of these questions are in the notes which are available on the app. You can find all the question answers from there, and similarly you will solve 6 questions and learn it. And the second section B, reference to context. So here is a line, it is from the text. You could have got a chain for it. Remember students, ये line किसने कही थी? If you remember, this line is spoken by Omri's mother, कि मैं तुमको इसके लिए एक चेन दे दूंगी. So from this line you will give all the answers of these questions. Who said this to whom? It is said by Omri's mother to Omri. This is the answer. In this way you will also get all these answers from the notes. So come here, section C, words and meaning. Find suitable expressions in the story to complete the following. Okay students, वो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि here strong hope, इसी तरह का कोई मिलता जुलता strongly word which we have in our text. So put the same word here in place of strong hope. Okay, here are number of exercises till E. You will also see in the notes. And part 2 of C section, use these words in sentences of your own. Appreciate, scrabbling, petrified, complaining, complicated, disappointed. So students, try to make all the sentences from the textbook. They must have a meaning with their text. Okay, section D, discuss and write. Okay students, read it. What could have happened in a very unfortunate accident involving their father's bicycle? Do you think Gillen had asked permission to use bicycle? What could have gone wrong? Discuss this your classmates and come up with some possible scenarios. Okay students, इसमें वो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि आपने गिलन ने फादर से बाइसाइकिल ली है लेकिन परमिशन के बगैर, और उस बाइसाइकिल के साथ कुछ एक्सीडेंट हो गया है. अब क्या हुआ है? क्या वो गुम हो गई है? मतलब कि समथिंग इस तरह की चीज़ है. इस तरह की एक स्टोरी क्रिएट करें कि फादर से गिलन ने बाइसाइकिल ली और मे बी बगैर परमिशन के लिए, तो उसके साथ क्या हो सकता है. नंबर 2, राइट अ शॉर्ट अकाउंट डिस्क्राइबिंग योर वर्जन ऑफ द वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट एक्सीडेंट इन्वॉल्विंग फादर्स बाइसाइकिल. ओके, अब यहाँ पे आप एक सोल्यूशन देंगे कि उसकी बाइक जो उसने फादर से बगैर परमिशन के ली है, हो सकता है वो उसने लॉस्ट कर ली हो सकता है वो किसी सुपर स्टोर में गया हो और पीछे से किसी ने स्टोल कर ली हो. मतलब कि इस तरह की, इट्स अप टू यू, डिफरेंट चॉइसेस, डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस, and all are acceptable, but there should be some creative writing for these 2 questions. Okay, and students, have a good luck. May Allah bless you, and please stay home, stay safe, and pray for Allah that please Allah save us from this corona, and please have a good concentration for your studies. Thank you so much.